Welcome to this video presentation where we will introduce you to the latest version of CET.SteelConnDesign 1.3 in collaboration with Tekla. CET.SteelConnDesign is a free, steel connection design software. In this update, we focus on beam-to-column connections using end plates. Before we begin, make sure to visit our channel for instructions on how to install and set up our software. Please note that this version does not support moment end plate connections, but they will be available in a future release. To speed up the process, we have already set up a beam, V1, and a column, C1, in Tekla. Now, let's begin using our system. Once it's loaded, users will immediately see that the version number has been updated to 1.3. To populate the member list, simply click the Scan Model button. Our system will read the member information from Tekla. Remember, each member in Tekla must have a unique name, as our system relies on these names to generate connections. We'll proceed to create the beam-to-column flange connection, which will be named V1_C1. Then we navigate to the Connection Design tab and select Web Connection from the Design Parts drop-down list. Once the connection design process is complete, a default single-plate connection will be generated. Now, you can choose the new end plate connection from the Type drop-down list. After completing the design process, a fresh end plate connection with Type 144 will be created. Additionally, an image illustrating the end plate will be displayed. This image provides explanations for several input fields. Now, let's examine the connection properties in Tekla. When we click on the Plates tab, we will see that our system has automatically filled in the plate dimensions. Similarly, in the Bolts tab, all the essential information regarding the bolts has been conveniently filled out. There are multiple parameters that can be adjusted in our system. For example, in the beam section, we can modify the shear load to 80 kips, and the system will automatically design a 4-row bolt configuration for the connection. By undoing the previous operation, we can observe a change to a 2-row bolt configuration. Additionally, we have the flexibility to modify the bolt row number to 3 or adjust the plate thickness to 0.375 inches. Once the design is complete, the connection in Tekla will be automatically updated, allowing us to verify the changes by examining the connection properties. Moreover, we can easily undo the last two changes and enter an axial load value of 20 kips. It's important to mention that our system supports axial or tension load in the end plate connection. Once the design process is complete, the plate thickness will be adjusted accordingly. And the design summary section has been updated to reflect the recent modifications. Please keep in mind that support for moment end plate connections will be available in a future release. Lastly, it is need to mention that when we open the connection properties in Tekla, we will observe that the weld size and weld type have been successfully updated. Now, let's take a look at the detailed report. Since this connection involves axial load, the report will provide comprehensive checks and calculations for the shear and tension interaction as well as the prying force. These details will be presented in a clear and organized LaTeX format. That wraps up today's demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at civilengrtools@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.